Task is an NGO that gets started in 2013 with the primary purpose of providing vocational training and vocational work to special people. They are deprived of many things in life, and we strongly believe vocational training should not be one of them. Work should not be one of them. Happiness should not be one of them. These kids have a lot of capabilities. It is our mistake that we are not able to identify these capabilities. They love work. They want challenges. Whenever any challenge is given to them, they perform extremely well. This is exactly what we're trying to do here at Task. Provide them with meaningful work. If the society and brand like Good Vibes support us like we are doing over here right now, it will help us to create much more meaningful work for these special people. In the end, it will help us to create so much more happiness.